So this is it's the beginning of a new week, and I just want to share my analysis on gold. I hope you all had a great weekend and you had enough rest of this market. So what we are seeing here right now is a weekly chart of gold, and we see how gold is kind of consolidating here. Our overall bias for gold is bullish, but then gold is stuck in this consolidation zone. We have this resistance here that was created, that was our previous high that gold hasn't broken yet, and then this is our current previous low on a weekly time frame. And there are two scenarios that can happen over here. Okay, so gold can either come here, tap into this level, and then come down here, or gold can break this level, tap, and then go. So this is just a weekly projection, but then I'm a day trader, so we are going to refine this chart to find something we can trade during the day. So now this is daily. This is a daily time frame, and then this is what we see now. Gold. So you can draw a trend line from here to this area to see how. So this is a trend line drawn in a consolidation zone. So we have to beware. Okay. Now let's mark this current daily candle. And right now, what we see is gold reacting to this level here. Okay. So gold is reacting to this level right here. And then if gold breaks this trend line, then we may be trading it to this support right here. So let's go ahead and mark. Just want to see what we can find. Okay, so that is our daily high. This is our current daily candle. So this is our previous daily high and current daily low. So with this, we can move to our 4 hour time frame. Now in the 4 hour time frame, you see price reacting in this area here. And because our overall bias is bullish, we may be expecting gold to probably tap on the trend line and then boom, go to the upside. So the best thing to do is to drop down to either 1 hour, 15 minutes, and then we wait for a pattern. So we can either wait for an inducement, we can either wait for gold to induce this bias here to the trend line, and then we see something like this. So we can see something. So this can be an inducement, break of structure. We wait for a retracement, and then we take our trade from here. So this is what we can look out for gold for this week. All right. But then if it breaks this level, then we can look for sells. But for now, I think my best scenario here will be a buy. Okay, bullish. Okay, now let's go to BTC as well and see what is happening there. So on BTC, this is our weekly time frame. On BTC, we find that BTC is also in some kind of bullish momentum. They've broken this structure here, and then we see a retest. This is a weekly time frame. We see a retest on this. So these are previous weekly support and then current weekly resistance. So let's go to daily. And we come to daily, we see BTC pushing to the upside. So there's a high chance BTC can continue. So let's mark our previous daily. So this area here can serve as a support for an entry for a buy to the upside for BTC. Okay, so let's go down to 4 hour. So when we come to 4 hour, we see this area here where BTC reacted has been reacting to. So there's a high chance for us to find an entry around this area. So BTC is going to continue to the upside. Okay. All right. So we can wait for a pull either into this area or when our BTC is creating higher high, higher low. So we can wait for it to either liquidate these people here and then come down here for us to take advantage of the buy. So we just keep our fingers crossed and then we monitor to see what price will show us. And I wish all of you a great trading week and may the odds be in our favor. Remember, this is Ajinkwa Forex Academy and you can join my community by clicking in a link in the bio.